PAC International has launched their new noise control solutions with our Noise and Fire Assembly Selector that puts all fire and acoustical test information right at your fingertips. There's no need to call technical support to get documentation you need. It's all there 24/7. PAC has you covered even when you're working late to hit that deadline. With all the details to consider for noise control solutions, finding fire and acoustical ratings for an assembly like the one on your project can be a challenge. PAC's Assembly Selector lets you filter by pertinent categories such as STC rating, IIC rating, structure type, flooring type, UL assembly number, and fire rating. Not only can you use the selector to find an assembly like yours, but also use it to compare the acoustical performance of similar assemblies. Ever wondered what adding another layer of drywall to your wall will do to the STC rating? Or the difference in IIC rating between wood and tile? We've got that too. For all your noise control solutions, please visit the PAC International website today at pac-intl.com.